Hey, welcome back, everyone. Tom from Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in these insane markets. Well, should I take a victory lap or should I take a victory lap? I think I'm going to take a victory lap. I told you the euro dollar, if it could not hold this level right here, 113 like 60, we were traveling down to 112.20-ish. Now it snuck a little bit lower, went down to what? 112.10. All right, so shoot me for the 10 pips. Now we've had a bit of a rebound. Marketplace is coming up, guess what? Right to that old support point. Now could be holding as resistance. But as it stands, you know, we got to point out again, that the DAX, okay? The DAX versus the euro dollar. Every time the DAX rises, the euro dollar falls. The DAX was in an upward movement just on this 6-hour bar, and as you can see, the euro dollar fell. Now the DAX is kind of retreating, and the euro dollar is starting to move back up. However, there's not much velocity in it. And I said, I've been saying in the past videos, if you've been watching, that the euro really is in a range. It's all about dollar yen, and if you're trading the euro, you really got to keep one eye on dollar yen, what dollar yen is doing. And I cover that in a different video, of course, where I talk about sterling yen and euro yen and sterling dollar. But sterling dollar is in basically the same situation that the euro dollar is in. So let's get back over to the euro. All right, as it stands right now, we're still in the range. And the range happens to be now a little bit expanded, but not that much. I'm going to say the range is now expanded openly to like this area. I'll actually go to this low bar's close. Because for me, the closes are more important than the actual, you know, this was all irrational exuberance. This was stop loss running. So it caught everybody off guard. So I do believe that the new range for the euro is right up here, 114.28, major resistance. Right now, support right around 112.30. So if the euro dollar can get up above this, let's go to a 1-hour chart. Let's jump onto a 1-hour chart right there. It's got a lot of wood to chop, man, this thing. Let's get rid of that. Let's go over to here. All right, so I can move this around a little bit. Let's get this thing out of the way. Put it over here. All right, so we banged up into resistance right now. It's just basically staying in the range. You know, if it can get above this resistance, close above the resistance, say on a 1-hour basis, you got to look for the next hour. You know, that would be the king. The king bar would be closing up above it. The queen would be the next hour. If that was confirmation, it would continue. But it's got solid resistance, excuse me, right now at 114.28. That's a pretty strong resistance line. If we break through that for whatever reason, you know, it's Forex. The next line of defense for euro bears is 114.73, but we're not there yet. So we're you know, just tracking in between these 2 points, upper limit, lower limit. I would actually say I'm going to change that. Sorry, I went a little bit wide. Right now it's these 2 points, lower and then the upper right now, and that's holding pretty strongly. So if the marketplace, I would say that a warning from here, if I was going to trade this straight, I don't know, like 113 right here, son of a gun. I would say a warning is a break of 113.42 would be a warning. Short-term trade. Break of that, then we could probably drive back down to 113, I don't know, the figure, 15, 16, right down in this level. So that's what I got going on for the good old euro dollar technical analysis today. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Share my videos far and wide. I want to build a huge trading community. I can't do it without you. So until the next video, which will be Friday, TGIF Friday, remember always enjoy the party, but dance near the door. Cheers.